everyone, today I am going to be show you how to make a file or folder undeletable in your Windows 10. It may be very useful to some users, especially if you have something important on your computer. So you can use this method to make that folder or file literally undeletable. So let's get started. First you're gonna need to locate that file or folder on your computer. In my case, I have this folder created in my desktop. It does have some files inside, but we are gonna make the entire folder undeletable so that we will protect the files inside from any accidental delete. Now right click on it and choose Properties. Now navigate to the Security tab. Now here click on Edit and you will see this new window. Now in the Group or Username section, select System. Now click on the first box, which is Full Control, which will deny the permission to all the things you can do to this folder. Now again go to the other user name here and this time select the second one. Now as we did before, just click on Deny to Full Control. And finally you have to go to the Group or Usernames once again and this time select the third one and Deny to Full Control. If you have more groups or users, you can simply continue the process to all of them one by one, and once you do that, click on Apply and click on Yes and click on OK and OK, and that's it. Now we have officially made this folder undeletable. To prove it, let's try deleting it. And you can see it is undeletable. So that's how you can make a folder or file undeletable on your Windows PC, and you can't even open the folder to view the files. So to make this folder editable, you have to just right click on it, go to Properties, go to Security tab, and as we did before, you have to just click on Edit and click on Remove for every user one by one. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now you can view the files inside this folder, as you can see, and you can delete this file also. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you a lot. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.